Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be introducing to you a new series on this channel called Philosophy Lectures. Well, these are essentially lectures about philosophy, as the name suggests, to introduce you to key philosophical concepts in a free and accessible way. Me and a few of my friends are going to be giving you a lot of different discussions about philosophy of mathematics, philosophy of logic, loads of different things, epistemology, you name it, range from analytic philosophy to continental philosophy, tackling key thinkers throughout the ages to provide you with free and accessible philosophical discussion and knowledge. For any of these concepts or ideas, if you want to demand any particular topic that you want us to cover, then of course let us know in the comments of these videos. The first of these lectures were on Kant, which has come out. I'll put a card in the top right corner or top left, depending on where on earth it shows up in the edit. Finally, the team that are going to be making these is going to be me and a few friends. We have me, Warren, you know him on the channel, and of course Benjamin Chin, who did indeed make the recent Kant lecture. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me and it really helps this channel grow. It shows that you are interested in this comments, and let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. So hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.